What's up, guys? It's Mike here with Grow Indoors 365. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute since I actually posted a video, but I got something new and special for you guys. Yes, I'm outside. It seems like a lot of you are not actually enjoying the outside videos as much as the indoor videos, but I got some new stuff that's ready to grow. It's not yet ready. The tent just got clean, so I want you to take a look at this. But I will start soon on those indoor videos once again. I'm just really enjoying, for some reason, this new little setup, and I am just so stoked about it. Look at that grass. Holy smokes. I'm gonna drop the picture in right now. Okay, that's what my grass used to look like. That's what this backyard used to look like. And now I have it looking like this. Isn't that awesome? God, I love it. Anyway, let's get to it. What do I got here? I got some tomatoes. I got some tomatoes. I got some tomatoes. And I got some peppermint and spearmint. I had this, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Mike. I'm overall an indoor hydroponic gardener. I primarily focus on growing indoors, but in the summertime I do like to utilize this little, what is it? Little garden bed, raised garden bed that I actually built. As you can see, I'm going to end up painting this thing. I actually want to get one here, there, there, and there. It would be ideal to have 4 of these. This way I could really maximize the area and really maximize the yield of produce that I can get. That would be actually a good topic for this video, maximizing your yield. As you can see, I have 4 plants here. The new little thing that I got is this little cord right here. Check out these little nozzles, okay? This is a mister, okay, and it mists all those beautiful plants. So basically right now I still have to actually manually go back here and basically push this. Okay, my water's on. All right, the water is on, and what happens here is basically this timer is for my my sprinkler system, and I've made a video before. This is for the Rainbird, and this is an amazing system. I actually just turned it on. I'm not even going to turn it on. If you're interested in a very cheap sprinkler system, Rainbird, the link is right down below. Basically, it connects right here. This is the timer situation. Right through this wire, it connects out. There's a point here, there, there, there. There's another one like back here, one right here. Okay, and I mean, for $150 for a sprinkler system that you put in yourself, it's unbelievable. It really does an incredible job. The link is down below if you're interested. Basically this little thing, so it came with this wire, this little nozzle right here, this little divider. I'm actually considering doing a 4, I don't even know what it would be, like a 4-prong. I don't even know what you would call it, but I'm actually going to link it down below for a split one like this. The link is down below, and also for the quad. So when there's more areas to cover in relation to plants, I could have it all come from one, but I could also divide it into different areas. So check this out. All I do is push that down because the water is always on for the sprinkler system. This little hose right here, this all came with this kit, and I'm also going to link that down below too. So check this out. Let me just turn this way. You can probably see it better. Look at all that water misting through the plants. It is incredible. I mean, this is what I love. And once I actually put that system on a timer, I literally will not have to come down here in my backyard every single day to water these plants. I mean, one of the biggest issues, let me turn this around real quick and talk to you guys. One of the biggest issues that I've been having is neglecting to water the plants. It's almost the same way of indoor plants and the hydroponic plants, of not providing them enough nutrients at the right time. This right here alleviates me from having to come back here in the mornings and having to water these plants. I mean, they're absolutely beautiful. At one point, they were literally basically dying from dehydration. But now, since I have it all set up right over here, and as soon as on that other splitter, I could probably have it all set up where it's one timer and it hits everything. I could probably, but I actually like watering these twice a day. That might not even be good. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if that's a good way to water. Should plants be watered twice a day, or should they not? But I mean, look at this. This is freaking awesome. I would, if I was to redo this, and I mean, there was a couple more that came with this little setup, and the link is down below, so check it out how many come with it. I think there's like a number of heads. There's like probably like 5 or 6 heads like this that are split on both sides that come with the set of what I bought, and then there's like an end one, so it's one single one that gets plugged into the end to spray out like that. And all I did was I just put some Gorilla Tape on here, kind of fasten them in a certain position, and I mean, it soaks the plants just how I want. Ideally, this is how I would want it, like one individual one for each individual plant. It's a really great drip system, but it gives it like more, it's not even drip, I mean, it's just like, it's just really drenching them really well. I love this. Like, this mist is phenomenal, and these plants freaking love it. And I love it for that reason. The mint and spearmint's doing amazing. Let's just not get this camera wet. These tomatoes are looking gorgeous. Is there any way to increase the yield for you guys that have been growing tomatoes for quite a while? What should I maybe do to increase the size of these? This is, I believe, a cherry tomato tree plant. This is the cherry tomato plant right here. This is more of like a larger tomato. This might be the beefy large ones. This doesn't have any growth at this time, though it does have a few opened up little nodes, so hopefully it works out. We'll see. But down here, I mean, we have a bunch. Look at that. Look at those things right here. Okay, we have a number of them right down there, and there's a ton all throughout here. How cool is that? But I love this. I'll let it grow a little more, and I'm going to probably bring some in to make myself some tea. Let me smell this. Ooh, wow, that's phenomenal. This is what I call farm to table, if you were going to do that. But basically that's it. I really wanted to show you guys that. All you got to do is, you know, you spend a minute, and this is why the timer is so needed. You won't have to come back here and do this. Boom. You push this up. That's it. It stops. Just like that. That easily. Everybody wants to grow, right? Everybody wants to grow. And if you like to grow, make sure to give me the thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe down below and hit the link. This way you get notifications every single time I post a video. Everybody wants to grow, but you don't want to put the time into it. People just like buying a plant, maybe splashing a little water on it. Doesn't really work that way. You need to water these things, and the easier and automated that we create things for ourselves, we could increase the things that we like to do. So what I did here is I halfway automated it. So instead of actually pouring water and then bringing the water back here, you know, can you imagine? And they have this. You can get like a Wi-Fi timer. So can you imagine? I'm laying in bed, you know, on a Saturday. I don't want to go back in the backyard. Let's say I have 1 bed, 2 bed, 3, and 4. I do not want to come back here and have to water all this. Do you know how much water you need for the 4 beds? How many times I have to go up and down and get water and bring it back down here? No way. I would not be doing that, and I know you guys would not be doing that. So, what do I recommend? I recommend hitting the links down below. Okay? Try it out. Let me know how you like it. The mist system is freaking phenomenal. The Rainbird sprinkler system is freaking phenomenal. Also, if you've watched some of the old hydroponic videos and that brought you to this video, and you're an old-time subscriber, if you need anything in relation to hydroponics, I have everything that you need linked down below. Make sure to hit those links and grow like me. Bottom line is, keep on growing, guys. Keep on growing indoors, keep on growing outdoors. I got a lot of cool stuff coming. As always, I'm always trying to automate things. I'm always trying to improve on a lot of the things that I'm growing. If you have any requests on something that I should grow, if it's outdoor or indoor, make sure to leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Also, make sure to hit the Facebook page and, of course, growindoors365.com. So this is about it. I really want to just build some more of these beds, but it's all about finding time. That's what it's all about. It's all about finding the time to do all this stuff. How are you guys growing outdoors? Show me. Post some pictures on Facebook, or message me on Facebook and let me know, and I would happily post those pictures for the world to know, or the hundreds of people that are logged in or subscribed to our Facebook feed that love just seeing other people growing stuff indoors and outdoors. Would love to see that from you guys, and would love to hear more from you. Again, my name is Mike from Grow Indoors 365. Make sure to give me the thumbs up, hit the link to subscribe and the bell to get notifications. Everything that you need is down below. I hope you guys have a phenomenal Memorial Day weekend. And whatever else that you're celebrating around the world, have a phenomenal weekend. Happy Friday. Hope you guys have a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.